Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Porsche 930 Singer Turbo Steady from Hobby Fans. There's a really cool illustration of the car on the back of the paper sleeve. There's the Singer logo printed on the base. Now moving on to the car now, the headlights are really well detailed and you can see the bulbs inside them. The Porsche logo is a metal sticker and it looks really nice, and the paint job is spectacular. The fog lamps and the indicators on the front bumper are painted but still look good, and the lower grille looks nice. So here are the fork styled wheels which suits the car well, and you can see the red brake caliper behind the wheel. You can also see the front splitter more clearly from here. The wheels at the back are the same ones as on the front, and it also has a red brake caliper behind it. Now moving on to the back, the taillight bar looks really nice and there is the Porsche script in the middle which is very clear. There's also the Singer logo in place of the license plate. The whale tail spoiler looks nice, and you can see that there's a rubber band holding the engine cover in place, and that's because it can be removed, and I'll show you to you very soon. And this is the right side of the car. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster, and the steering wheel also looks nice. The seats are also really well detailed. There is nothing much to see at the back, and the rear wiper is separate and it's not molded in with the windshield, and it looks really nice. So here's the passenger side of the car, and you can see the gear lever and the handbrake from here, and there is a red accent on the dashboard which looks really nice, and you can see all the buttons on it. Here's how the dashboard looks like from the top, and the front wipers are also not molded in with the windshield just like at the back, and it looks really nice. The rear view mirrors have silver paint on them which looks nice and can reflect well. And this is how the headliner looks like, and there is no IRVM. The base has a CM model logo on it, and I think that's a parent company of Hobby Fans. Now let's take the car out of its base. The car looks really nice. The undercarriage does not have enough detailing on it, but still looks good. The engine is painted in black and the exhaust tips in silver. I'll remove the rubber band now to show you the engine compartment. The engine cover is very tight and it takes some force to remove, but after that it slides out easily. So here's the engine compartment, but it's not really well detailed but still looks good. It's a really good feature of this model to be able to see the engine. So here's the engine cover, which is made out of plastic, and it has two pins which slides onto the body and locks in place. It stays flush with the body without any panel gaps and does not fall off easily. Both the front and rear wheels can roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.